Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to apply for a Ryanair cabin crew job. So we are not going to be here on Ryanair.com, but instead we are going to go to careers.ryanair.com, right? And it's going to show you this website here. And immediately the chat is going to show you this pop-up, explore our job opportunities, receive job suggestions matched to your unique skill set. So you can upload your CV here, right? You can do that and start a chat. Uploading your CV or your resume, or you can just search job title here, right? So cabin crew, for example, right? There we go, all locations. If you have a specific location near you, you can do that, but you can just click search for cabin crew, right? And as you can see here on the search, there are 57 vacancies found. So Ryanair cabin crew assessment, Tirana 9, June 26. So there are a lot of options here. Belfast has some, Vienna, East Midlands, Bristol. So how do we do this? All we need to do is click on any part of this job posting, right? And the description is going to be here, right? And the requirements is going to be here too. So make sure that you double check everything. You read everything carefully, right? If you fit the requirements and if you are satisfied with the benefits that comes with this job posting and the competencies, all you need to do is click on apply now, right? And then just fill everything up, right? After that, you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.